So here we are at another week, and we've got a lot of growth still going on all over the place. So we are just sprouting strawberries all over the place now in here. Our cilantro up here continues to grow like weeds. And again, our cauliflower is getting bigger. And we've got 6 different types of heads on here. This one here is yet, it's hiding down in there, but it's growing. And we've got another one down here. It's our biggest cauliflower right now. That's what it's looking like. And our cabbage is growing. We got these nice, very firm heads on them. And that is about what we've got going on. And down there hiding is our oregano. And it seems to be doing pretty well in behind there. Then over here, our tomato plants just continue to grow like weeds as well. Lots and lots of buds on it. And then we've got our growth down in here. And we've got a broccoli. So I actually planted 2 stalks in 3 different little pots, and you can see there's another one there. This one has really taken off up here. It's getting pretty good, looks good. And I've actually got 10 heads of broccoli off those 3 or 6 stalks. There's another one there, another one down in here, and over here we're getting all kinds of little cherry tomatoes growing. A lot of little flowers. What else is hiding up in here? These things are just all intertwined now. More broccoli. And then down over here, we're starting to get a bit of growth on our little pepper plants. So where is it? There's a pepper there. There's another pepper up there. Hiding back here, so I didn't notice until the other day, that has got a whole bunch of peppers on it too. Looks pretty big, and none of these really got very big, and I'm not sure how big they're supposed to get. But being that we're in this tower, and we've got all these little plants and a place for them to hang down and grow. I did plant a couple days ago some fresh spicy salad mix, because we've been enjoying that. It hasn't been real warm, but they seem to be going pretty well. Up here is just a ton of blooms on this. This would be our black hybrid tomato plant, and that's really starting to go crazy. And we've got a bunch of flowers up here. We've got stuff that have bloomed and gone away, and it's coming back. And I did see some bees out here this week, actual honeybees flying around. We did have a little bit of frost this past week, or cold temperatures causing frost, and got some little bit of damage on some of the tomato plants. They seem to be a little more fragile, but all these big leaves seem to be doing pretty well. This one here did get some frostbite and a little bit of damage to it, but it's doing okay. So the new thing we've got going this week is all of this. This is a 100-foot hose. When I purchased it, I thought it was one of those collapsible ones that would shrink real small, but it doesn't seem to want to do that. At this end over here is a flow meter. You can see that it flowed about 0.7 gallons into the hose when I set it up and got it ready to go. So with that meter, we're going to do 2 things. We're going to start to see how much water we're actually going through in these 2 towers. This one here is drinking a lot more, taking a lot more feed. And I'm assuming because there's a lot more huge green leaves on it. Over here, it came with this nozzle, and we got this nozzle here, and so what we're going to do is put that in and run over here. Whoop, take that back. We're going to click it or turn it, one of the two. Here we go. Alright. And then we go like this, and you can see it's just going to pour water in there. Down inside there. So in the past, I have been using this bucket, or my grandson's, to fill that up with water, and then I have to drag it in and put it in these two holes. So this way, I'm hoping that with the flow meter over here, I can just look at how many gallons are flowing through there, and then I can put my mixture in based on how many gallons of water it takes to fill that thing up. So we'll keep an eye on that, and then we'll check in on it later. Not sure where I'm going to put all this hose, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.